All right, first one for the year. Welcome to the Caribbean Drone News for January 2025. We still saying Happy New Year at this point? Where's the cutoff point on that? Somebody let me know in the comments. But in any event, Happy New Year to everybody. If it's the first video you're watching for the year, welcome back to another episode of the Caribbean Drone News for 2025. This is the January episode. And in this episode, we have three stories for you. DJI removes geofencing from their drones. The IDB launches a new tech lab, and DJI again has released two new drones for the month of January. Let's get into it. So in our first story, in a move that has sparked a lot of controversy, the world's #1 drone manufacturer, DJI, has removed geofencing from their drones with their latest update of the FlySafe database. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, geofencing is a technology that prevents drones from flying in certain areas. So we're looking at things like airports and prisons. Now, this decision by DJI has been met with a lot of mixed reactions from drone operators, with some concern about the safety implications and that it could lead to more drone accidents, while others are welcoming the increased freedom as they believe that it is a good move and it will make it easier for them to fly their drones. It's still too early to tell what the long-term effects of this change will be, but we will be keeping an eye on it to see how it develops. Next up, the Inter-American Development Bank, the IDB, has launched a new tech lab in Trinidad and Tobago to help boost digital growth and innovation in the Caribbean. This tech lab will focus on emerging technologies like drones, the buzzword for the last couple of years, artificial intelligence or AI, and also virtual reality. It will also serve as a hub for public-private partnerships, try saying that 3 times fast, and programs to build skills in the digital sector. This tech lab is part of the IDB's One Caribbean program, which promotes regional integration and resilience in the Caribbean through partnerships that have a wider regional impact. In our third story for today, DJI released two new drones in the month of January. And the first one is tailored to its enterprise line, and it is called the Matrice 4 series of enterprise drones. Now, these AI-powered drones, AI again, are designed for commercial applications with two very specialized models. The Matrice 4 Enterprise, which goes by the M4E, and the Matrice 4 Thermal, which is the M4T. Now, the M4T comes with a significantly improved thermal imaging system featuring a very high resolution mode with a 1280 by 1024 pixel resolution, which will ideally allow operators to see crucial details in low light and poor weather conditions, which makes it perfect for things like search and rescue missions. The M4E, on the other hand, focuses more on its exceptional image capture for inspection and surveying applications. But you know where this is going. The real star of the show is the onboard AI. And now DJI is saying that this technology enables the Matrice 4 series to automatically detect and track objects like people, vehicles, and vessels during critical missions. In the second drone that they released for this month, DJI has unveiled a drone that is focused on the consumer space. This drone is designed to capture aerial footage for persons that are in the field of vlogging, and it's called the DJI Flip. Now, this drone sets itself apart from other DJI drones with its very unique foldable design and prop guards built into it, making it ultra compact and portable, which is perfect for creators on the go. Overall, looking at it, the DJI Flip sounds like it'll be a promising new option for vloggers who want to elevate their content with aerial footage. So check that out if that's something that you're looking for. Now, before I let you go, world-renowned photographer and friend to the channel has released a new book, and that is the one and only Mr. Derek Gallon. And this book is intended for those who are interested in photography and upping their game in photography by using different lighting techniques. So this book has everything from his recommendations to the explanations of the different techniques to his personal tips, and also how you could create advanced setups without breaking the bank. So if you're not familiar with Derek, or if you've never seen his interview, I will leave a link for that in the description. So you're going to go check out that interview first, watch the entire thing because it was a really good interview and you could see some of Derek's extraordinary work. And then you're going to check out his book, and then you're going to follow and like him on social media to keep up to date with some of the excellent work that he is putting out and some of the journeys that he is on. Because Derek is very often in some very beautiful places doing a lot of very, very good work. So please show support to a friend of the channel. And if you know anybody that's interested in the field of photography, this may be a great gift to buy for them as well. So that is it for this month's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, if you think that something didn't make the news that should have, please feel free to reach out. Let me know via social media, the website, drop us an email. Love to hear from you. That's it for this month's episode, and I will see you guys in the next video.